Hey guys, so the month of August nearly got away from me without doing my monthly Patreon giveaway. And this month I've got something really special. This is an old mod base kit from the Fretwire back when they used to sell these. Once I heard that they were going to be pulling them due to a lawsuit, I bought up a bunch of them to hold for myself to build. And I ended up just selling a bunch of them off once my family hit the road in an RV. But I did keep the very best one for myself because I thought that I'd build it someday. The only issue is that now I'm building my own line of custom bases that I honestly think are way better than any base that Rick ever made, much less a cheap kit knockoff. And so I'm happy to have such a nice kit to give away to you guys, my Patreon supporters. And so if you're not yet a Patreon supporter and you've been considering it, now would be a good time if you want to get in on this. But I do want to say, don't sign up for my Patreon just so that you have a chance to win this, because then it's more like a raffle or a lottery, and I don't want you guys gambling your money. Okay, if you guys like my channel and you want to support what I do and you want to see more videos like this, then that's a good reason to sign up for my Patreon, and this is just a fringe benefit. But like I said, this is a really cool kit and there's a lot to like about it, so let's take a closer look at it. Alright, so here's what we got. We got a beautiful ash body with amazing wood grain front and back. And we have a very nice, very straight neck. Again, remember, I was hoarding this kit for myself, so I kept the best for myself. And look at how nice and tight this neck pocket fits. For a set neck, that is wonderful. So this is going to be a really great start if you are looking to build yourself a Rick style base. We got extra jumbo frets on there. And then the fingerboard, you know, this kit was made back during the rosewood ban, so it's got that engineered rosewood fingerboard. So, oh, and I don't want to forget to show you the headstock. Look at the wood grain on this headstock. Nice figuring front and back. So if you want to win this, all you got to do is be a Patreon supporter at a $5 tier or more and comment on the post that is now live, and I will choose the winner at random in this Friday's video. And just a quick reminder too, to warn you guys about scammers. If anybody replies to a comment on this video saying that you've won something, you haven't, they're a scammer, feel free to report them, or even better, feel free to string them along and waste their time. And also a quick reminder that if you win something on my channel, you will never be asked to pay for anything or give any personal information other than your shipping address to receive your prize. So you guys have no reason to ever fall for a scam on my channel. Also guys, if you don't happen to win this one, but you do want to build a Rick style base kit like this, there's a similar kit available now on Amazon from a brand called Leo Jams. So I'll go ahead and put an affiliate link down there in the description if you guys are interested in building one of these yourself. Huge shout out to all my current Patreon supporters. I could not do this channel without you guys. So make sure you don't miss my video on Friday where I announce the winner of this awesome mod base kit. And I'm Dan, this is Guns and Guitars, and I'll see you Friday. Whoa.